Ready to get started setting up your own self-hosted WordPress blog? This is Lisa Jarrett, and today I'm going to show you how to do just that using my favorite web host, SiteGround. You can grab your website hosting by visiting lisajarrett.com/webhost. If you're planning on monetizing your blog, self-hosting is the way to go. I've got a great article, you can find the link below, about why self-hosting is the way to go if you plan to monetize your blog. Let's head over to SiteGround and get started and see how you can set up your blog in just a few minutes.
Here we are over at SiteGround Web Hosting, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with your web hosting and install WordPress. This is going to be very, very simple. You can get to SiteGround by following my link, lisajarrett.com/webhost. From the SiteGround homepage, click See Plans. You're going to be presented with these three plans: Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. If you're just starting out and you have one website, I highly recommend the Startup. It's designed for one website. You get 10 gigabytes of web space, which is more than enough for all of your stuff, and it's suitable for 10,000 visits monthly. And let's hope that you start surpassing that in the first year. The Grow Big is for multiple websites. You get a lot more space, and it's suitable for 25,000 visits monthly. And of course, the Go Geek. That's for if you have lots of different websites, 30 gigabyte of web space, and over 100,000 visitors monthly. The great thing about SiteGround, you can start out with the basic package, which is Startup. Should you need to expand later, you can always upgrade. Click on Get Started. Step 2, you're going to choose your domain. You can either register a brand new domain here with SiteGround, or if you already have a domain, you can use that one. If you already have a domain, you can have it registered wherever you want. It doesn't really matter. You do not have to transfer your domain to SiteGround Web Hosting. You will just simply point that domain to what's called a domain name server, which I'll talk about a little bit later. So for now, let's say that we're going to register a new domain. And I'm going to type in a new domain name, lisajarrettonline.com. Once you either enter your existing domain or register a new domain, click Proceed. From there, this is all of your account information, client information, and payment information. For account information, you're going to enter your email, a password, make sure you write it down, and confirm your password. Client information, you've got your country, first name, last name. Company is optional, you do not have to fill that in. Your state, city, street address, zip code, and phone number. Personally, I like to use a post office box for my business address, but put whatever your business address is. A little further down the page, I'll show you how to keep that private. Enter your payment information, your card number, the expiration, CVV code, and the cardholder name. The next section, this is your purchase information. The plan is Startup. The data center is automatically selected based on your location. And here's where you get to choose the time frame. I do recommend that you choose a whole year, $3.95 a month. You're getting a huge discount off the regular $9.95 a month. So today you're going to be billed $47.40. You do have some other selections here. If you decide to go with the trial, it's 1 month, $3.95 and $14.95 setup. You can also choose 24 months and 36 months, and each time it's going to tell you exactly what the total is. I recommend going with at least 12 months for a couple of reasons. You're getting a great price, $3.95 a month, when you go with that 12 months. When you sign up for 12 months, it's really going to help you to be serious about your blogging business. You're in it for the long haul. And I know that you are serious. You're going to make this into a really profitable blog business for yourself. Other items, you have extra services that they're going to offer you. Since I did register a new domain, that's an additional $14.95. You definitely want your domain privacy. When you register a domain name, your personal information becomes publicly available. So you want to make sure you protect it. And of course, this is only if you registered a new domain. And then you have SG Site Scanner. You don't need to select that. And when you're all finished here, you can just go ahead and click Pay Now. And it's giving you your total here. For me, it is $74.35. Go ahead, Pay Now and go on to the next step. After you get your SiteGround hosting services set up, you're going to get this SiteGround order confirmation. To log in, you're going to follow the link to your customer area and click on the My Accounts tab. You can also follow the link right here. And then to access your new account and install WordPress, you're going to go to your My Accounts and click on the cPanel button. And I'm going to show that to you right now. When you click the link in your email, you're going to come to the login page. Sign in. Here we are on the My Accounts page. Click Go to cPanel. Click Proceed from the cPanel access window. Notice in the cPanel there's some information in the left-hand column, and you have name servers, NS1 and NS2. If you registered your domain with SiteGround, you don't have to do anything. If your domain name is registered somewhere else, you're going to have to log into that account, and you're going to have to change your name servers, which is also known as DNS, Domain Name Server, and you're going to have to enter these domain servers into those fields. To install WordPress, it's a one-click. Under Auto Installers, click on WordPress. The WordPress page displays. Click Install Now and follow the instructions. That's really all there is to getting started with SiteGround and installing WordPress.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and learning how to set up your self-hosted WordPress blog with SiteGround. This is Lisa Jarrett. I'd love if you send me the URL to your blog. I cannot wait to see what you've been doing. Be sure to visit my blog at lisajarrett.com for more great training information about making money with your blog. See you next time.